10 నిమిషాలు అంటున్నారు వీళ్ళు, వీళ్ళేమో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ప్రేయర్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. చెప్పాను వీళ్ళకి, చెప్పాను అది పవర్ ఫ్లక్చుయేషన్ అవుతుందండి, సరిపోవట్లేదు అంటే మాకు ముందు వచ్చి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన ప్రేయర్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. మామూలుగా ఎల్ఈడి ఏమంటున్నారు అంటే 10 నిమిషాలు టైం పడుతుంది చూస్తున్నా, వాళ్ళు ప్రయత్నిస్తున్నారు. అదే చెప్పాను మరి.
Nirvana
చెప్తుంది.
Bhagavad Gita chapter 50 sloka number 40.
చెప్పండి ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం. అన్ని కొన్ని
ప్రాణినాం దేహమాశ్రితః ప్రాణాపానసమాయుక్తః పచామ్యన్నం చతుర్విధం. Chapter 15 sloka number 50. Sarvasyachaam hృది సన్నివిష్టో మత్తస్మృతిజ్ఞానమపోహనం చ వేదైః సర్వైరహమేవ వేద్యో వేదాంతకృద్వేద విదేవ చాహం.
Everyone, please clap for them.
Bhagavad Gita chapter 15 sloka number 16. Dvātimau puruṣau loke sarvakshara eva ca sarvasarvāni bhūtāni bhūtatokshara uchyate. Bhagavad Gita chapter 15 sloka number 17. Uttamah puruṣastvamyah paramaत्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य किमर्थव्यय ईश्वरः. Chapter 15 sloka manidoham अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रतितः पुरुषोत्तमः. यो मामेवमसम्मूढो जानाति पुरुषोत्तमं सर्वविद्भजति मां सर्वं 20. इति गुह्यतमं शास्त्रम् इदमुक्तमया नघ एतद्बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान् कृतकृतस्य भारत. दस और बस मछली जैसी रानी है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और बस చేతవన్న ముద్ద చెంగల్ల పూరన్న బంగారు మొలతాడు కట్టురట్టి సన్నియాయెత్తులు చిరుముక్క హజ్జలు చిన్ని విష్ణువు చేరి కొట్టు తారకం వేణునాద తారంగం వెంకటరమణ తారంగం. హరే కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ. I will play cricket. I also play too.
After walking and doing exercise for some time, they go to bath and fresh up. During those days, children woke.
First today, yummy, yummy, I like it. Thank you, Amma. Hare Krishna, children. Did your hands wash properly? Hare Krishna, yes, Mama. Very good. Chew careful and eat slowly.
Children eat happily, smiling and talking. Hugs and kisses their parents and go to school. Children never missed school and always started there.
Mama, I need to do my homework. And practice eating my homework.
What did we revise yesterday? Can anyone tell?
We learned good habits.
Can anyone tell it?
And you know my wake up early, ma'am.
At what time did you woke up?
6 o'clock, ma'am.
At what time did you sleep at night?
8 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay, children, copy it from your board. Teacher explains another topic. Children listens happily and sit properly listening to her. Children, how many marks did you got in yesterday's test out of 20?
I got 18 marks, ma'am. I got 17 marks, ma'am. I got 15 marks. I got 12 marks, ma'am. I got 10 marks, ma'am. And we will help you to get better marks next time.
Okay, children, have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Timing. Everything. Teacher, trash my toy. That's great. What did you done today? I learned a new rhyme. I learned new poem. Tell me the rhyme. Guys, arrow. Ears, pull the sound. Wow, very cool.
Parents are curious, caring and involved. They listen to every little story of the children shared. Now the homework time and play time.
Yes, let's go. Play outside.
Children love to play outside their homes. They enjoyed fresh air, warm sunlight and laughter with friends. Their grandparents' bedtime. Stories from grandparents made children wise and imaginative. Peaceful sleep came easily after a day filled with love and activities. But slowly something entered their lives. A small device in their hands, and without anyone noticing, it began changing their habits, their health and their happiness. Let us see the life after mobile now. The time is 9 p.m. Everybody is busy with their mobiles, TV and laptop.
Oh no, I forgot to do the food.
Mother orders some food in app. After some time, delivery boy comes.
Knock, knock. You are late. Time is 10 p.m. Sorry, sir. Time is done. It's okay. Chicken down food is here. Yummy, yummy. Let's try.
by watching mobiles and televisions.
Sleeping time.
Late dinner, short sleep, quietly stole their peaceful rest. Wake up time and exercise time.
I am sleepy.
After calling and waking up for so many times, children wake up very lazy and dull.
I cannot open my eyes. My eyes are burning. We are on the late to school, Grandma. One day, Grandma. One shot, Grandma. No.
Grandmother helps the children to get ready to school and send them into washroom. See the difference. Our tired eyes, lazy steps, late night stole their fresh mornings. Mobile phones slowly took away their exercise time. When mobiles control our routine, our health suffers. Breakfast time. Children are holding mobiles. Mother brings the breakfast.
Put them aside and eat your breakfast. One video, Mama. One game, Mama. One shot, Mama. Start eating your idli and chutney. What idli chutney? Bus is waiting up. They should run now. At least think. They don't eat breakfast until they sit in the class.
Food was on table, but attention was inside the phone. Family conversations slowly disappear. What is the use of being online when you are disconnecting from your own family? Classroom with teacher.
Hare Krishna children, good morning. Did you all finish your homework?
No, ma'am.
Why? I think you have seen mobiles yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you watch in the mobile? What about you both? See children, mobile is useful, but too much mobile is bad. You should play outside and spend time with your family. Okay? Be smart. Don't be mobile dependent.
Once
Okay, note it down from the board.
Once they were confident and proud. Now they stand silent and confused minds. Mobile did not only reduce marks, it reduces the focus, discipline and self-confidence. Homework was missed, revision was forgotten, and learnings became weak.
Children, bye. Have a nice day.
Children wanted to share the same story with teacher to the parents after going home. Angry parents, sad children. Parents were busy, but children felt ignored. Parents become
Why are you not slow? Children not sharing with I don't have time to listen also.
Children wanted to share their little stories, but parents were telling their own stories. When listening reduces, understanding reduces. Now it's time, and time is always slowly replaced by screens. Homework time and outside playing time. playground became empty instead of running and laughing together. Each child sat alone with the mobiles and laptops. Sunlight was waiting outside, but they chose only screen light. Children go to their grandparents.
Granny, tell the story. Wait, my sister is coming. Grandma, tell her the story. I'm TV no. Eat, Grandma. Take the phone and watch cartoons and stories.
Earlier, stories have developed imaginations and values. Now, screens replace grandparents' voice. A mobile can show pictures, but it can never give warmth, like grandparents' hug. Addiction did not affect only children, even elders got trapped. Dinner time. Mother and children start feeding children. Mother and grandmother starts feeding children. Children ate very slowly, they're keeping the food in the cheeks. Mother and grandmother need to touch the food in the cheek to push them inside. After some time, they also felt bored and started watching mobiles and televisions. They get involved in the TV serials and forgot to feed. Later, they force the children to eat fast because the time is already 11 p.m. Food was there, but attention was not.
Just
Children sleep very late with all sufferings, burning eyes, restless minds, late nights, peaceful sleep disappeared from their lives. Childhood is meant for dreams, not for scrolling till midnight. A tired night always brings the dull morning. Dear parents and children, mobile technology, we use books, playground and family time. Choose conversations over stories. Choose sunshine over screen light. Choose values over virtual life. Because happy family is built with time, not Wi-Fi. Let us choose wise today to build a better tomorrow.
Thank you.
Very important moral, wasn't it? Saying that mobiles have changed our lives. Yes, there were some positives about having a mobile in our life, like office work or calling people in other states. But there were a lot of negative effects of phones which happened in our children's life. Not only in children's life, in elders' life also. Grandparents have become addicted to serials. Parents have been into their office laptops. Children have been into phones while eating. And actually, medically also, being distracted from food while eating is also a negative effect on our digestion. And eating late in the nights is also negative for our digestion because it causes acidity while we sleep. So there are negative effects of not having our focus on the food that we eat also. So these are some great lessons which are taught by our children today. Let's give them a big round of applause. Let us now invite our young students to perform a Telugu skit for us today, and let us enjoy this performance.
ఒకప్పుడు సుధాముడు అని పేద బ్రాహ్మణుడు ఉండేవాడు. అతని చిన్ననాటి మిత్రుడు కృష్ణుడు వాళ్ళిద్దరూ గురుకులంలో చదువుకునేవాళ్ళు. వాళ్ళు ప్రాణ స్నేహితులు. తర్వాత కాలంలో విడిపోయారు. ఇది సుధాముడు ఇల్లు.
ముందు ద్వారా తీసుడు కదా, ఆయనని కలిసి సహాయం కోరండి. లేదు, నేను వెళ్ళలేను. నా ప్రాణ స్నేహితుడైన మహానగరానికి రాదు. అందువల్ల ఏమి తీసుకొని వెళ్ళలేని స్థితిలో ఉన్నాను. అందువల్ల నేను వెళ్ళలేను. తీసుకొని వెళ్ళండి.
సుధాముడు అతుకులు తీసుకొని ద్వారకా నగరానికి బయలుదేరాడు.
ఎవరు మీరు? నేను కృష్ణుడి బాల్య స్నేహితుడిని. నా పేరు సుధామయ్య. నేను వచ్చానని నా ప్రాణ స్నేహితుడికి సమాచారం అందించండి. నీకు ద్వారకా తీసుడి మిత్రుడు. నువ్వు నీ అవతారం వెళ్ళి
సుధాముడు వచ్చిన సమాచారం కృష్ణుడికి అందింది.
అయినా నేను ఏ సహాయము అడగలేను.
సుధామాయ ప్రాణ స్నేహితుడిని ఏమీ అడగకుండా ఇంటికి బయలుదేరారు. సుధామ ఇచ్చిన అటుకులు కృష్ణుడు తినగానే ఆ గుడిసె స్థానంలో పెద్ద భవనం ఏర్పడింది.
అయ్యో, పొరపాటుగా వచ్చినట్లున్నాను. ఇది నా ఇల్లు కాదా? స్వామి, ఇది మన ఇల్లే. మీ ప్రాణ స్నేహితుడు శ్రీకృష్ణుడు కృప ఇది. మనకన్ని సౌకర్యాలు సమకూరాయి. అవునా? నేను ఏ సహాయము అడగకుండానే అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు సమకూరాయా? నిజమైన స్నేహం ధనం మీద కాదు, ప్రేమ మీద ఉంటుంది. కృష్ణ వందే జగద్గురు.
It was also a very moral story for them, talking about friendship and all. Please give them a round of applause. Make them smile. Please encourage. Please big claps. Please. ढाबा मालिक खाना बनाते हुए
मेरे पास सब्जी नहीं है, सूखी रोटी का सुबह से गरम कर देती। अरे, तुमने मेरे खाने का तो मस्त मिलके एक पैसे दो, पर मैं आपका खाना नहीं खाया। तुम अभी मेरे पेट खाते में राजा के पास न्याय के लिए जाओगा। जाओ जाओ जाओ।
गरीब आदमी राजा के पास न्याय के लिए जाता है।
हरे कृष्ण महाराज। हरे कृष्ण, बताओ क्या आपकी समस्या? मैं तुम्हें से रोटी गरम की, ढाबा मालिक मुझसे पैसे मांग रहा है। महाराज, न्याय होगा।
तेनालीरामन और गरीब आदमी दोनों ढाबा मालिक के पास उसे सबक सिखाने के लिए जाते हैं।
चलो ढाबा मालिक पास। हमारे पास पैसे हैं? हाँ, मेरे पास कुछ सिक्के हैं। दो। ले लो तुम्हारे पैसा। पर मुझे तो पैसे नहीं मिले। मैं खाने का धुआं बेचा ना, इसलिए पैसे की आवाज दे दी।
सभी राजा के पास जाते हैं।
चलो महाराज के पास। ढाबा मालिक, गरीबों को परेशान मत करो। माफ करें महाराज। धन्यवाद तेनाली जी। लालच बुरी बात है, बुद्धिमानी से हर समस्या का हल निकलता है। धन्यवाद।
I am looking beautiful. I am in different colors. I am full of love. I smile very good. Who am I? Who am I? Can you guess? I am Rose. Me for worship, bright in color, good for healthy hair. Ever need and ever need. Hibiscus. I am bright and yellow, big and tall, always moving with the sun. Who am I? Who am I? I am sunflower. sitting on me. Who am I? Who am I? Bright lotus. I go in Netherlands and they're very expensive. You use me for decoration. Who am I? Who am I? Can you guess? Tulip. I am yellow in color, eminent juicy. Everyone loves me, no one denies me. Who am I? Can you guess? Mango. If you eat me every day, keep Dr. Rao away. Who am I? Can you guess? Apple. I am juicy and vitamin C, good for heart and kidney. Who am I? Can you guess? Orange. They are cute and red, rich in fiber, look like a girl. Can you guess who am I? Strawberry. Sauka teen, kabhi kabhi. No one likes to eat me. Please eat me. Good for healthy. I am pear.
Grapes. Grapes है क्या?
I am not an iron. Comes with bunch. Green, black, purple, red. I want to be with my family always. Can you guess who am I? Grapes. I am green. You drink me. I am very tasty. Yummy, yummy. Who am I? Can you guess? Pineapple.
Please forgive us for that. Hope we will rectify this kind of mistakes for next time. Thank you for your cooperation and being patient with us. I will go ahead and address the gathering today. Good morning, respected principals, dear teachers, lovely parents, and my dear wonderful little children. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I stand before you today to speak about our beloved institution, Custom Public School. A place where tiny hands are shaped into confident learners and young minds are nurtured to become responsible future leaders. At Custom Public School, our vision goes beyond textbooks and classrooms. We believe that education is not just about learning alphabets and numbers. It is about building character, curiosity, confidence, and compassion. Inspired by timeless wisdom of Bhagavad Gita, we guide our children with values such as discipline, honesty, perseverance, self-belief, and respect for all. The Gita teaches us to perform our duties with dedication and without fear. And that's exactly what we encourage in our learners. We nurture their own excellence not only in academics but also in arts, storytelling, music, dance, sports, and activities. Their confidence on stage, their curiosity in classrooms, and their kindness towards friends reflect the holistic development we strive for. Behind every smiling child stands a dedicated teacher. Our staff members are not just educators, they are mentors, guides, and second parents. Their creativity, patience, and commitment make our classroom vibrant and joyful place of learning. Their efforts truly deserve our heartfelt appreciation. A school success is a shared journey. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our respected management for their visionary leadership, our hardworking teachers and support staff for their dedication, our loving parents for trusting us with the precious children and partnering with us in their development. Your support strengthens our foundation and inspires us to reach great heights. At Tuscan Public School, we strongly believe in holistic development and focus on academic excellence through engaging and activity-based learning, emotional growth by encouraging empathy, sharing, and teamwork, physical development through sports and playful activities, moral values rooted in discipline and respect. We aim to create confident individuals who are not only intelligent but also kind-hearted and responsible citizens. Looking ahead, we envision in introducing more experimental learning methods and smart classroom activities, expanding co-curriculum activities, and to nurture hidden talents, strengthening parent-school collaboration through interactive workshops, enhancing infrastructure to create a safe, innovative, and joyful learning environment. Our goal is to continue growing as a center of excellence where every child discovers their potential and shines brightly. As the teachers of the Bhagavad Gita remind us, success comes through dedication and righteous action. Let us continue to work together with faith, sincerity, and unity. Let us inspire our children to dream big, act responsibly, and believe in themselves. Together, we are not just building a school, we are building a future. Thank you all for being an integral part of the Touchstone family. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your insights.
First candidate, please.
May I come in, ma'am?
Come in.
Good morning, ma'am. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, good morning. Sit down. No. Sit on the chair. What's your name?
My name is MP, ma'am.
What is it?
Manipur, ma'am.
What's your father's name?
MP, ma'am.
What is it?
Manmohan Pal, ma'am.
What's your native place?
MP, ma'am.
Madhya Pradesh.
Manipur.
What's your qualification?
MP, ma'am.
What is it?
Matric pass, ma'am.
Then why do you need this job?
MP, ma'am.
What is it?
Money problem, ma'am.
Describe your personality.
MP, ma'am.
What is it?
Mind-blowing personality, ma'am.
You already blew my mind. You can leave now. The discussion is over.
MP, ma'am.
What is it?
My performance, ma'am.
MP.
What is that, ma'am?
Mentally punctured. You may leave now. You can wait for my answer. Come in. Hare Krishna, good morning. Hare Krishna, good morning. Take the chair. No. Keep the chair down. Sit on the chair. What's your name?
My name is Sandeep Kaman.
What's your qualification?
M10 ma'am.
I'll ask you a few simple questions. In an aeroplane, there are 50 bricks. You rolled one brick. How many bricks are left?
That's easy ma'am. It's 49.
The 3 steps to put an elephant in the fridge. Where are you going?
To show practically ma'am.
Okay.
Step 1. Open the fridge. Step 2. Put an elephant in. Step 3. Close the fridge.
The 4 steps to put a deer in the fridge. Where are you going again?
To show practically ma'am.
Okay.
Step 1. Open the fridge. Step 2. Take an elephant out. Step 3. Keep an deer in. Step 4. Close the fridge.
It was Ryan's birthday. He gave a huge birthday party. All the animals went except one. Who and why?
It's deer ma'am because it is locked up in a fridge.
A old lady wants to cross the swamp, but that was deadly dangerous crocodile hood. How would she cross it?
She can simply walk ma'am because all the crocodiles are in Lion's birthday party.
Good logic. I'll ask you last one question. If you answer this, I'll give you the job.
Is it tough ma'am? Please ask easy question, simple question.
Wait and watch. Sadly, in the end, the old lady died. How and why?
Maybe she drowned.
No, the brick you threw from the aeroplane that fell on her head and she died. You can leave now. You have a good memory. All the best for your tomorrow's interview.
What is
Tomorrow is your interview.
Then why did you call us today?
Maintain some distance. I'm also like you only candidate. I just wanted to see how are my opponents. Good morning, sir. Come on. Please cheer up for children.
Dear parents, our students are very smart.
I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me.
Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Smile on a face, with love in a heart, with joy in a life. We welcome you this day. With smile on a face, with love in a heart, with joy in a life. We welcome you this day. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come.
If you're alone and you need a friend, someone to make you forget your problems, just come along, baby, take my hand. I'll be your lover tonight. This is what I wanna do. Let's have some fun. One-on-one, just me and you. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together from now until forever. Boom, 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 boom. I wanna go boom, boom. Let's spend the night together, together in my room. Oh, oh,
know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. Are we an item? Girl, quit playing. We're just friends. What are you saying? Said there's another and look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, thought you'd always be mine, mine.
Sweet little bumblebee, I know what you want from me. Do-ba-do-ba-do-da-da, do-ba-do-da-da. Sweet little bumblebee, more than just a fantasy. Do-ba-do-ba-do-da-da, do-ba-do-da-da. My heart skips a beat when you walk in the room. I go boom, 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 you go zoom, zoom, zoom. You're my playboy, play toy, lover, my friend. I wanna be with you until the end. I give my heart and my soul to you to make you see it's true. I'm so confused, baby, can't you see? Please come rescue me. Sweet little bumblebee, I know what you want from me. Do-ba-do-ba-do-da-da, do-ba-do-da-da. Sweet little bumblebee, more than just a fantasy. Do-ba-do-ba-do-da-da, do-ba-do-da-da.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Here in our school, we are teaching like no, hello, and bye. What you have to say? Thank you so much, dear parents. Dear parents, dear teachers, and my dear children. It gives me immense joy and pride to welcome you all to our annual day celebration. Today is not a function, it is a celebration of learning, growth, samskara, and creativity. Our school may have classes from nursery to 3rd grade, but the dreams of our children are big as the sky. These early years are the foundation years, and we believe that strong roots create young, strong futures. In our school, education is not limited to textbooks. We follow activity-based learning.
Dum dum chuck, dum chuck, dum dum.
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है,
Chuck, dum dum, chuck, dum dum, chuck, dum dum, chuck, dum dum.
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
Hey, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है, छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है,
Chuck, dum dum, chuck, dum dum, chuck, dum dum, chuck, dum dum.
अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम।
Hey, कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है,
ਚਚਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਲੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਚਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਲੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ
It's summer, summer, summertime, summer, summertime. It's summer, summer, summertime, summer, summertime. Let's go to the beach and play with tambourine. Get some pictures clicked with photo bombing scene. It's summer, summer, summertime, summer, summertime. It's summer, summer, summertime, summer, summertime. Let's bathe in the pool and splash some water cool. Lick on those lollies, oh that would be so cool.
ज्वाला सी चलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है परवाही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे डर भी उससे डरा रहे जिसकी रखवाली यारे करता साया तेरा देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेश
बुम्बरा बुम्बरा शाम रंग बुम्बरा 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरा आए हो किस बगिया से हो तुम बुम्बरा बुम्बरा शाम रंग बुम्बरा 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरा आए हो किस बगिया से हो तुम भवरे ओ शाम भवरे खुशियों को साथ लाए मेहंदी की रात में तुम लेके सौगात आए
हो काजल का रंग लाए नजरें उतारने को बागों से फूल लाए रस्ते संवारने को
काजल का रंग लाए नजरें उतारने को बागों से फूल लाए रस्ते संवारने को आओ मेहंदी की छाँव में गीत सुनाए झूमे नाचे साज उठाए जश्न मनाए बुम्बरा बुम्बरा शाम रंग बुम्बरा 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरा आए हो किस बगिया से ओ तुम
तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं तां जागर रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं तां जागर रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं हो इश्क तेरा तड़पा दे
hey 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 don't want you need you yeah I need you to fill me up 마시고 마셔봐도 상해졌지 않아 got a feeling that oh yeah you could be everything that I need taste so sweet every sip makes me want more yeah looking like snack cause you got it like that take a big bite want another bite yeah 너의 모든 걸 나 원해 너 말고 모두 뻔해 when you're in my arms I hold you so tight can't let go no not tonight 지금 당장 날 봐 시간 없잖아 넌 내 거야 이미 알고 있잖아 Cause I need you to need me I'm meant to feed me so refreshing My little soda pop You're all I can think of Every drop I drink up You're my soda pop
तालियां